In a decisive move, the Indian military carried out precision strikes on terror targets in Pakistan and Pak. These actions were a direct response to the tragic Pahalgam attack, where 26 innocent lives were lost. Wing Commander Vyomika Singh briefed the media on this operation, highlighting its careful planning. The operation lasted just 25 minutes, from 1:05 am to 1:30 am, ensuring minimal collateral damage. Key to the mission was the use of advanced weaponry, allowing air strikes on specific buildings identified as terror camps. Although the exact military hardware details were not disclosed, we learned that it included Scalp deep strike cruise missiles and the Hammer smart weapon system. These weapons enabled precise targeting while keeping Indian communities safe. Colonel Sophia Qureshi shared that targets were chosen based on credible intelligence, with a focus on avoiding civilian harm. The military's commitment to professionalism ensured all targets were neutralized effectively. The government described these strikes as measured and proportionate, aimed at deterring future assaults. In summary, Operation Sindoor not only retaliated against the heinous Pahalgam attack but also reinforced India's resolve against terror. This operation stands as a testament to the Indian Armed Forces' dedication to national security. Stay informed and engaged in this vital conversation on combating terrorism. Share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more updates on national security operations.